In this comparison, I am going to guide you through a side-by-side look at Builder.io and FlutterFlow to see how they stack up in 2025. Let's dive right into the workspaces and see how they handle modern project demands. I'll start here in the Builder.io environment, which is a powerful visual content management system designed specifically for high-speed web development and headless architecture. As I look at the main dashboard, I can start a project by simply describing what I want to build in this interactive prompt box. You can see I have options to integrate with popular frameworks like React and Vite, or even connect an existing repository directly to sync my code. Moving over to the Integrations tab, I see a massive library of enterprise connections. I can link up Slack for notifications, Jira for ticket tracking, and VS Code for local editing, or use built-in servers like Supabase for authentication, Neon for databases, and Contentful for external CMS needs. In the Design System Intelligence section, I have the ability to index my own existing components so the AI knows exactly how to use my brand-specific building blocks without drifting from the design language. Looking at the subscription options, Builder.io offers a free tier for individuals, while the Pro and Enterprise plans scale up with more AI credits and longer activity history. It's clearly built for teams who want a headless CMS that provides maximum visual flexibility without losing developer control. Now, let's switch gears and look at FlutterFlow. As I move into this workspace, the focus clearly shifts from web content toward building native mobile and robust web applications. In the project creation screen, I'm greeted with instant generation capabilities that are very beginner-friendly. I can choose from several presets like a professional invoice generator, a client CRM, or even a music streaming app inspired by Spotify. FlutterFlow is very strong on real-time collaboration, offering a team code library, shared media assets, and a design library where my entire team can work on the same app simultaneously. If I head over to the marketplace, I can find curated app templates for everything from food delivery to full-scale CRM systems. This is a huge time saver for developers. Looking at their technical documentation, FlutterFlow is a low-code platform built on top of the Flutter framework, which means it generates clean, readable, and exportable Dart code. It's particularly powerful because it allows me to build complex logic, connect to Firebase or custom APIs, and manage state without writing every single line of code by hand. It handles all the tedious boilerplate for me, while still giving me the freedom to export the code to GitHub if I need to move to a fully manual development environment later. When we compare the two, the choice really depends on your end goal. Builder.io is the undisputed champion for web-based digital experiences, landing pages, and e-commerce. It excels at bridging the gap between non-technical marketers and developers by allowing visual editing on top of an existing tech stack. It's perfect for content-heavy sites where speed and SEO are the top priorities. On the other hand, FlutterFlow is a powerhouse for functional, logic-driven applications. If you are building a startup MVP or a complex mobile app with deep user authentication and real-time database interactions, FlutterFlow's integration with the Flutter and Firebase ecosystem is hard to beat. My final verdict for 2025 is this: if you are focused on web performance, SEO, and giving your marketing team visual control within a React or Next.js environment, Builder.io is your best bet. However, if your priority is launching a high-performance native mobile app with a unified codebase for both iOS and Android, FlutterFlow is the clear winner. Both tools have evolved to make AI a core part of the developer workflow, significantly reducing the time it takes to go from a simple idea to a live, polished product. Use Builder.io to dominate the web, and use FlutterFlow to conquer the app stores. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick tips and tutorials.